To integrate Afterpay into your business, start by understanding what Afterpay is and how it works. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. The integration process begins with signing up for an Afterpay merchant account on their official website. Once you have an account, you will receive an API key and other necessary integration details. Next, choose the integration method that best suits your business, such as using a pre-built plugin for e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, or a custom API integration for more complex systems. After selecting the integration method, configure the Afterpay payment option in your checkout process. This typically involves adding the Afterpay API key and configuring the payment gateway settings. Ensure that you handle any errors that may occur during the payment process, such as insufficient funds or invalid payment information. When a customer selects Afterpay as their payment method, they will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. Afterpay will then handle the payment processing and split the payment into installments. As the merchant, you will receive the full payment up front, minus any applicable fees. To ensure a smooth integration, test the Afterpay payment option thoroughly to ensure it is working correctly. This includes testing different payment scenarios and edge cases. It is also essential to comply with Afterpay's terms and conditions, as well as any relevant laws and regulations. Best practices for Afterpay merchant integration include clearly displaying the Afterpay payment option and terms, handling any customer support queries, and monitoring transactions for any potential issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay into your business and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option.